Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Today, as you see behind me, the Bronco may look just a little bit different. We got the Zone 2-inch lift kit installed along with the 35-inch tires. It looks way better, way better. So let's go take a little walk around on the new lift and take a peek. So here it is, guys. Probably on camera it doesn't look quite as big, but it is a pretty noticeable size increase compared to the stock. We'll show you some before and after pictures here, so stay tuned for those so you can kind of get an idea of what it looked like with the stock tires. So this is the Big Bend, as I previously mentioned, and we did keep the original Big Bend 17-inch wheels for now anyway. I do have a set of the Venom Rex 17-inch wheels on order. They're on back order. So those will be coming in a month or two, which will definitely set it off even more. But for now, we definitely have the right ride height now. And we went with the, these are actually the Goodyear Territory mud terrains. It's the same ones that actually come on the Sasquatch package, so same exact tire. We do have some rock guards coming too to fill in this area down here. Found a pair of those. They actually can get them from the Ford dealer. I think Lund makes them actually, but it'll cover right here and here. It'll put like a black plastic finish on both of those. And I think that'll clean that up a little bit, because this just looks kind of unfinished, where you would put you know, some steps, side steps there. So we're going to get that in a matte black finish too with those covers, so stay tuned for a video on that. We'll definitely do a little install procedure on that. It won't be too hard, but yeah, overall that 2-inch, and it's level now. It's not dipping down in the front, and yes, it barely fits in the 6.5-foot garage that we have. I mean, I'm talking a quarter to a half an inch clearance. It was crazy. I thought maybe I was gonna have to get a new garage door, but it fit barely. We'll do a video of that later on too, just to show you how close it is with a 2-inch lift if you have a 6.5-foot garage door. So we have a split foyer, so we just don't have that 7-foot. If you have a 7-foot garage door, you're good, no problems. You might even be able to hit a 3.5-inch lift without issues. But yeah, I think it turned out really good, guys. Leave a comment below, let me know. Check out some of these before and after pictures. A little drone footage here of the new Zone 2-inch lift with the 35s. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.